Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here, and today is day number 142 review video here for my progress inside Traiex. I'm in my car. I was just at my doctor's appointment. I sold a ton of bots today. I think I've sold 3 bots today. It just happens like that. Like just all of a sudden everyone wants to buy a bot. So I got 26 bots left, guys. There you go. Yeah, so look at that. Got $200 there in the referral balance. I got 26 more bots left. I'm probably gonna have 25 more today. In this video, I'm gonna send one of these people who bought the bot has not sent me their username. So I don't know what the heck's with that. I don't know, maybe they're watching the videos on YouTube and they had created an account a long time ago, and then they don't know that I have 50 USDT bonus. So I'll just post in our Facebook group, hey, if this is your username, contact me, prove to me it's your username, and I'll send you 50 USDT. And if they don't contact me, there's nothing really I can do, because there's no contact for the person. You don't get their email address, you don't get their name, all you get is their username. So it's kind of, yeah, anyways, I don't know. So today we're gonna send one of the guys who bought, we're gonna send him his 50 USDT. I've already looked him up, so I know he's one of the guys that have bought there. But yeah, guys, look at that, $200 in commission today. That's pretty awesome. And some of this here, because it's not exactly $200, right? Some of this here is from people below me selling bots. Like I saw a $33 commission. I saw, I think, an $11 commission, and that's all from people like selling maybe a $200 bot and a $500 bot or something like that, right? So it's pretty cool. And yeah, nice. Okay, let's get going. We'll do this. We'll do the run through the normal stuff, the percentage and all that here first. So we'll go back to subscription. Hopefully the internet's okay here, and we'll do this. So we need our command. The first thing, people pulling up beside me must think I'm crazy because it looks like I'm talking to myself in my car. I don't have my windows tinted, right? So they just see this guy talking to himself in his car. We'll grab this number here, and earnings should be pretty low today, guys. I think 0.40 something % today, but you know, we need some low days here and there. Can't always be like high days, right? And what am I doing now? Okay, I'm going over here. The token, we'll do the token analysis here next. Yeah, but it's basically done exactly what I said it would do in yesterday's video. Break above that line, and then we're looking for that daily candle there. So I guess I don't need to do the analysis because I just did it. It's you know, think about buying it maybe, right? Okay. 9063.69. 9063.69. What is the percentage? Gonna be low, don't be surprised. 0.44%, which is still, like, that's pretty damn good, right? Because that's 100% my earnings, and I'm sitting here saying it's a really low day. So actually pretty good if you think about it there, right? So that's the 80-20 as well. It's not like I'm not at 50-50, guys. I'm at 80-20 in the income distribution there. So that's something else you have to think about, which I say that in most of my videos, right? Is that I'm at 80-20, and you know, when you start off, you're at 50-50. So the result you're seeing in these videos is 80-20. It's not 50-50. Obviously, like, I have $9,000 in my account. Of course, I'm not going to be at 50-50, right? I've bought the tokens. That's what I did over, I think, my second or third month. I bought the 4,000 tokens, and I bought it with my earnings and commissions, and it took me 2 weeks to do, guys. So you can go back and watch the videos on that as well, okay? So let's get going. Let's shoot on over here. The token analysis, I pretty much already did it, guys. It's like, we're waiting on that daily confirmation, basically, which that'll be tomorrow, will be the daily confirmation, meaning that tomorrow's candle opens within this area and not this area, okay? If it opens within this area, it means we're going to go to here most likely, and then possibly come back down, or we could go to here, break up, because people just start buying because they're like, you know, they don't want to miss out. Let's go, and we need to go back into the switch accounts, because I'm going to send the guy the 50 USDT. So into the master there, and we'll go to, we need to go to overview. We need to go to send to. I need to grab his username. He was messaging me through Facebook. Okay, so we'll go to careers. We'll just hit withdrawal on all this there, and then I'll figure out later, you know, the other two people, they still have to contact me, guys. So this could be like, you know, if they're not contacting me, it's probably people that have created their account a long time ago when I wasn't doing the promotion, and then now they're like, oh, I want to get going with this thing months later or whatever type thing. And yeah, guys, like it's just this time here. If you create your account, get the bot, or I should say, if you get the bot within this time, when I have 26 bots left, you can get a $50 bonus, which makes your testing 100% risk-free for you, because your deposit amount's always withdrawable, right, from Traiex. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, hopefully that's not pending. Shit, it is pending. Okay, let's go. I didn't think about that. Let's do a withdrawal of this 37. So we'll grab this because this won't pend, and then we'll grab another 20 bucks or whatever, just so we have that 50 for the guy. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. We'll withdraw that. Okay, so boom, I just withdrew all that. Go to transaction history. So there you go there. So that this will be the 50 bucks I'll send to the guy. This, I don't know if this will come through in the video, guys. I totally forgot about the pending thing. I think it's over 50 bucks. If you do it pens, they manually do it. It's just a security thing, which is awesome. That's great. But yeah, we got the 50 there, so I'll send that to him, and that's good, eh? Like if ever I need money, I can just pull it from my deposit balance if I need to. Okay, so we'll put the 197. We'll just put it in. If it comes through, we'll put it in the account within this video. If not, I'll put it in, you know, sometime today, and we'll use it for tomorrow's calculation. Okay, so that's gone through, and then go USD. Yeah, there's the 62 bucks. Okay, so we go 50, we grab his username, which I gotta go get it again. Crazy today, all over the place. Okay, so that's him there, and let me just double check it because I don't want to make a mistake. So VS and then TA's on the end. Yes, TA, yeah, okay. Copied all that. I'm pretty sure the system would check it, and if that's not an actual username in the system, then it'd probably say like, oh, this person isn't here, or not in the system. So now I need to get my code, so email code and then Google Authenticator. So into my emails, there's the code right there, and grab that. Here's another person pulling up beside me, looking at me. What the heck is this guy doing in his car? Okay, and then I grab my Authenticator code on my phone, and then we'll jump into the daily analysis on the win rate for the trades. So the like risk ratio for the day, 602.796. Okay, verify that, send that to him. Another happy customer for Traiex. That's good. And over to transaction history, and go to send and receive. There's the transaction right there. There's his username, and I'm pretty sure he won't care about being in my video because I see him promoting stuff on his Facebook. Okay, back to here, send this image to him and say, okay. So here, I'll tell you guys a marketing strategy here, so you can see what I've said to him here. Okay, I've said like, okay, you know, the 50 is in your account. I tell him where it is. Like, hey, you can go to the exchange and you can see it, or go to your over here and you can see it right there. When you click on update, you'd see it. Okay. Why do I tell him that? Okay, so the reason why I tell him that, and then I say here, you can do what you like with it. You could add it to your deposit amount for your bot to trade on, or you could go and withdraw it out of the exchange and like, you know, do whatever you want with it type thing. I say this to him because what happens is he'll have the image in his head that he should add it to his deposit amount, and then he'd have 150, so more funds to trade on, which would give him more profit, right? So for me, from the marketing point of view, like watch this. If I go over here and I go to transaction history, you can see down here, Here, we'll go to page 2 because there's like affiliate commissions there. So you can see here, it says referral reward. These are referral rewards from everyone's bot trading, right? So their bots trading the company profit. I get 21% of the company profit. So if he's testing on $100 and he gets the idea, oh, I'm going to put the 50 in my account, you know, it's already there. It's easy. I just click update, boom, it goes in the account. Then he's trading on 150. I'd actually make more commission, okay? It's not gonna be like, oh, you're gonna make like $1 or $5 more a day or anything. It'd be like, I would make maybe 2 cents more per day if he puts that $50 in his account, but still it adds up, right? So, and also he's gonna see a better result with $150 than $100 deposit, okay? So yeah, there's like strategy and everything, guys. So think about what you're doing online if you're promoting to give yourself some ideas there, okay? So let's shoot on over here. We'll go to we need to log out of the account, go switch accounts. So to this sub account there, and then we'll do the trade history. So we already did the token analysis. Oh, my mom's calling me. So we'll do the, right now guys, we'll do the, what am I saying? We'll do the trade history. Sorry guys. Okay, so here we are on the trade history over here. We're gonna look for the 27th. We'll get started there. It might be on page, oh no, it's on page number 4 here. I've got to use my sticky notes to do this. And go like this. And we'll go page number 4. And we've got one trade on page number 4 here, which is a profitable trade. We'll go to the next page, which is there's a losing trade right there. Okay, so there's our first losing trade. So I'll just put a 1 here. And then we've got a winner, a winner, a winner, and a winner there. And then the next page. So this guy here is profit. That's a profit. That's a profit. That's a loss right there. So there's our next loss. So that's number 2. And we've got, that's a profit. Then to the next page, we've got so this guy here is a profit. This guy here is a profit. So you can see these ones, guys. These ones are $100 gaps in price. So maybe the bot's flip-flopping back and forth, and that's why it's creating the lower percentage days today and yesterday, okay? I'm saying, if you guys look in the trade history, you can see everything. You can see like why you have a low day or why it's a really high day or anything like that, right? By looking through the trade history. So this guy here is a loss there, so the break-even trade, right? Yep. So we'll go here. We got 3. That guy there is a profit. To the next page. Done this pretty soon. So there's a profit. Here's a profit. So yeah, guys, we've got like 3 pages so far, or 2.5 so far, of $100 gaps in price. So that gives us our lower earnings there. And this guy here is a profit. This guy here is a profit. Okay, so the next page is profit, 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 and a profit, and a profit. And then the next page, that's another page of $100 gaps. This is a profit. This is another page of $100 gaps here too as well. So profit. Oh no, wait a minute. No, yeah, that's profit, 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 and another profit there. Okay, I'll edit that out. We're supposed to end on page number 10. I went all the way to page number 12 doing this. So we'll end on page number 10 there, guys. So we're going to go and we're going to count back now. So we have a full page of trades there. Let's go to page 11. Yeah, so that's all the 26. So this is a full page here. How to calculate things is there's 5 trades on each page. I know if you're looking at this, you're like, no, there's actually 10 because the trade's in action. But how do I calculate the loss is the buy and the sell gives me a number, is it a loss or not? So that's how to do the calculation here, okay? So we've got 1 page there. So this is 2 page, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we've got 1 trade on that page there. So 5 times 6 plus 1 is what we need to do. 5 times 6 plus 1 equals, this is going to be a low day of trades, guys. So 31. So it did 62 trades, which is a really low amount of trades. That's actually one of the lowest I've seen for 24 hours. And I think we saw 2 pages there where it was doing $100 gaps and not the 150 to 200. So that's why yesterday we had a little bit of a low profits there. The bot just makes decisions like, you know, maybe it's seeing, okay, the market's not as safe at this moment right now for like those 3 or 4 hours or whatever when it did the $100 gaps in trades. So it made the decision not to take as much risk in the trades. That's what I'm saying, guys. This bot is amazing because it has its own brain. Like, that makes it really, really good. It's not just averaging into the market and then when the market moves up, it makes profit, right? So let's get going here. We'll go back here. We only had 3 losing trades there that we calculated through the chart, so we'll remember that. And this is how we figure out our win rate. Sorry this video is so long, guys. I actually went into a rant about something that was more personal stuff, and then I decided, you know what, no one needs to hear that kind of stuff in the videos. It was just more about my life from the past, I'll say, and stuff. And it's some things that it'll make people really sad. I've been through a really hard life, guys. Like, my life is like a freaking drama, like a drama movie. It's crazy. So we'll get going here. We'll do this. So yeah, guys, 90.32% today is our win rate. So it lost 10% of its trades today that it did in the, sorry, not today, in the last 24 hours there for basically yesterday's result. It lost 10% of its trades that it did. And it didn't trade as much as it normally trades, guys. It did, as we set up here, it did 62 trades, which is actually really, really low for the bot. Normal is like 68 to 78, 79. That's normally what it does. So it didn't do that many trades yesterday, but it only lost 3. And as I explained there, it was doing probably for about two pages of the trades, it looked like to me. It was doing $100 gaps and not 150 to 200. So that's what gave us our lower profitability. Didn't trade as much. It didn't really have that much loss. Like, this is like losing trades. This is actually really good, 90%, right? So we can't really count that. But the second biggest thing was that it, you know, those trading gaps, right? We had, like, how many hours is 2 pages? Like, this is 12, right? And then this one here goes to 7 a.m. So that's like 7 hours of trading where it did $100 gaps and not 150 to 200. So that gives us our lower day. Another thing, you can also, you could probably see into the future if you look into this here, and you look at the how it's trading today. You can see here, this one here, you can consider this one $100 gap. You can consider this one buy, sell. What is that? That's like, I think that's a $100 gap there as well. So tomorrow might be a low day as well. Let's just look at this. And because we've got, you know, this looks like doesn't look like 200 gaps to me on this page, you know, but I'm sure some pages in here will have the 200 gaps. Yeah, see, that's 130, right? So that's, you know, close to 150, but still I'd count that as a $100 gap. Yeah, so you can see that page there, the trades, the last trades it did was $100 gaps pretty much. Okay, so that one there, these are more close to like 200, like 150, 200. You can see 570 and then 701, right? This one 959 to 100, that's like a 150 gap. Okay, so you can see that this last page of trades, it's done. It's doing the $100 gap. Back here, it's doing the previous page, it's doing 150 to 200. Okay, so now let's go over to the spot market. We'll look at Bitcoin. We'll see what Bitcoin's doing right now. Is there anything you can see in the chart? You know, why is it deciding to take $100 gaps in the market and not 200 or so? So look at this, guys, right? For the last 6 hours, it's been coming down. Where it was doing $200 gaps, it was going up. The last 6 hours, it's coming down. And pretty much, I think what we saw on that page, like 1 or 2 pages, is about 6 to 7 hours of trading, right? If we look, like, as I showed you there in the video. So when the price action starts to come down, it tries for less profit. When it's going up, it tries for more profit. That's a new change that's been made. The company has not said that. That's me looking at things, doing analysis, and then seeing with my own eyes, like, okay, obviously this is how the bot's, you know, trading now. It's made a change. So don't take it as like, I wouldn't use that in your promotion, but it can be something to talk about with your team. I don't think through promotion they need to know something like that. Anyways, that's it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let's see if it did a trade while we're making the video. there. I don't think, oh yeah, it did probably one trade there, made $2.50. So if you want to join my team in Traiex, click the first link in the video description. If you're watching this video on our team YouTube channel, meaning someone has shared this playlist with you, get back to the person that shared the playlist with you and ask them about if they have the team bonus. Right now, guys, as I said at the start of the video, I got 26 spots left to do the team bonus for. When this hits 0, I have to wait for this date to do another team bonus. So meaning that if you want to be on my team, when this hits 0, if you want to be on my team, you'd either have to wait for this date here so you get the team bonus of 50 USDT, or you know, you're not doing the testing, risk-free, I give you $50. You wouldn't be doing that. You'd be buying the bot, spending $50 for it, and then the risk is not, it's on you and it's not on me, right? Like for instance, if you, like I get a $50 commission when you buy the bot, but I can only do that 26 more times. So I give that 50 back to you basically, which then is, the risk is on me because I've given you $50. I'm thinking of it as a numbers game, that if I give, say, 10 bots away a month, meaning give the commission back basically, if I give away 10 bots a month, maybe 5 to 8 of those people will upgrade their bot to the next bot within the next 90 days. Okay, that's a numbers game that I'm playing here. So that's what I'm saying. When this hits 0, I'm not doing it. I'm not giving away $50 to do this. I would wait till this date. This is gonna reload with another 40, and then I would do it with those 40. So only 40 a year can join my team basically, right? So yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you're watching this video and you're like, yeah, I really wanna be on Drew's team, like I like this team, then take advantage of it, guys. And you can get the 50 bot for free and do the testing with it with risk-free, right? Because this subscription, on the subscription page here, your deposit your deposit balance withdrawable 100%. So you test with $100, you get 50 USDT from me, which makes your subscription free for you for the year. You can test for, I'd test for a week or so, and then I'd make a financial decision what bot you want to come in with depending on your deposit amount, right? Like over here you can see under subscription, you're gonna have like a 200 bot, 500 bot, 1,000 bot, and then the 2,000 bot. Like I've already got the 2,000 bot, so it's not showing in the other bots there, but you make a financial decision what bot you want, and then you're based upon your deposit amount. Okay, and then also you got to incorporate into it, you know, if you're gonna come in with the, say, $4,000 or something into here, you know, you might even want to incorporate into, do you want to just get to 60/40 right away and freeze 500 tokens, right? Or do you want to use your profits balance every month to buy the tokens and, you know, have a goal of getting to 80/20, right? So you got to put all that into your financial planning there, guys, for Traiex, okay? And I can help you out with that. You know, it's part of my team bonuses. You tell me your plan and I give you recommendations and stuff like that. That's normally how the sponsor works with you in Traiex, is you tell them your plan, like, hey, I have $4,000, what do you think I should do with it? And then we get back to you with, this is what I would do with it, right? Kind of thing, okay? And I always recommend you should try promoting, and I make it free for you. I build the funnel for you. I give you the SWCT tokens so you don't have to buy them. You know, I make everything free for you, so there's no, you know, and I teach you how to get free traffic and all that kind of stuff, so it doesn't cost you anything out of pocket. Because personally, that's what I do, guys. I focus on the promotion. You just saw I made $200 there today, right? I focus on the promotion and to build my deposit amount, okay? And I don't go and use credit cards or fund out of pocket all the time, that kind of stuff. Anyways, click the first link in the description and you can get going with the bot. That's it for me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video there. Bye-bye.